Now it's finally time for one of the most awesome active track test videos I've done in my entire life. I did this for the DJI Mini 3 Pro and today it's time for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro had some troubles, but it did a really good job. The DJI Mini 4 Pro performed a lot worse when it comes to tracking me when I was walking down the trail that I have behind me here. So let's see how well it locks onto me when it doesn't need to avoid obstacles. There are some things that we need to be aware of when you are flying the drone over water. First of all, don't fly too close to the water because the drone can have major issues to determine where the surface is, and if it doesn't know where the surface is, it can easily crash into the water. I would like to have return to home to be here so it doesn't stop anywhere out there. I wanted to come back here if there is an issue. The home point is updated. We have 21 satellites, so that is good. We're gonna go into the settings here now. We're gonna have obstacle avoidance. That can be to bypass options, definitely normal. I don't want to have any nifty features enabled here. Return to home altitude 30 meters is fine. I don't have any obstacles. I would like to have max altitude 120 meters. That is all good. We're now down to 88%. Let's get onto the water. Let's track on this to-do. Let's get some great shots. I'm gonna put the remote at the front here. Well, we even have a camera here, so you can follow me here. That is a little bit risky because I don't want this camera to fall into the water, do we? Let's see if we can lock on. It should work. Here we are. Let's drag a rectangle around me. It recognized me. Let's take active track. Function only supports following subjects such as people and vehicles. But let's see how this works. Really? Is this really true? Yeah, now it recognized that it was a boat. My God, I thought for a second that it wouldn't be able to do it. Okay, so now it's doing some fancy moves. Okay, we can set here that we would like to be behind, in front, or at the side of this boat. Drive a little bit slow first. This works fine, doesn't it? Okay. See if we can angle this one. Where is it? Drive a little bit faster. Oh, it lost me already. Look, it already lost me. For Pete's sakes, drone, subject lost. Okay, let's see if we can find me again. Where are we? Where is the drone? Let's see if we can lock on. It's a boat, manual, go. Let's try this again. Let's see if we can go this way instead, because we may be gonna have more contrast if we're not flying directly. Look, it lost me again. It lost me again. We didn't even start. Let's try it again. Do this rectangle, it knows it's a boat. Let's switch to auto instead and see if that does any difference. It shouldn't. Only person subject in auto mode, really? Let's do manual again then. Driving in 32 kilometers per hour. Now it works better. No, it lost me. Let's go down a little bit. 21 meters. Square me. No, it didn't recognize the boat. Still didn't recognize the boat. Nope. Now it recognized the boat. Active track. Go again. Okay, let's see if it can follow me from front. Now it should start to realize what way we are going. It should switch. It now moves in front of me. It does. Now it moves in front of me. Yep. Seems like it has a hard time to... No, look. Now it switched to go behind me and we're not driving more than 20 kilometers per hour. And it does not switch position, and now it lost me again. Look. Completely. I mean, they have not improved this tracking feature from the DJI Mini 3 Pro, that is for sure, because we didn't have, I don't even know if we had this bad result on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. What it does is that it goes up to about 35 meters all the time. That is kind of annoying because I would like to be able to fly so I get more of this kind of view, so I see the horizon like this. But I can't do that because when it gets too far away and it doesn't want to be enough down so we get a good angle either. Can't identify, trying to identify, still can't identify. Now it can identify. If we can go to active track parallel, does that work? Go. Parallel works. Let's see how that turns out. Driving that way. We are now driving in 30 kilometers per hour. Let's see what happens if we speed up a little bit.
So welcome to the
40,
fire.
50, 60.
With the light. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Feel it burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting
Look, now it lost me. It works.
so welcome to the fire.
It works actually pretty good when it's behind me. 61 meters. No wonder it can't track me from 61 meters of height. I mean, it is a small vessel. It is. I mean, of course it is. Okay, let's do this again. Active track. What if I take that we're going to be parallel here instead? It should be on my right side. Moving too fast. Aircraft will automatically change position. Let's see if we try to have it in front of us. We'll go down in speed a little bit. It really struggles. Okay, so even when we are just reaching about 30 kilometers per hour, it says that the subject is moving too fast. There's it tries to get in front of me. Okay, let's speed up so it can move the position itself. No, it lost me completely. And if you wonder if it makes any difference if I'm in normal, sport or cinematic mode, it doesn't, because that is just ignored whenever you are in active track. We have tried that in the past. It's a low battery, confirmed, so it can go home by itself. I don't want to risk anything here, so it's going to be flying during a longer period of time than necessary, because that is freaking scary if it just drops out of the sky here. Here we have some big waves from this boat here. The drone flew back by itself to where it was supposed to be. So the DJI Mini 4 Pro, is that the optimal drone to auto track a jet ski? No, it is not. It works pretty well when you're just flying behind it, but otherwise it has really big problems to identify and track and lock on to small vessel like Sea-Doo. And honestly, I don't think it's improved at all since the DJI Mini 3 Pro, so if you're gonna track, just keep the DJI Mini 3 Pro. But what is possible though, that is to see each other here. The top one, that is the video YouTube recommended to watch next. And the bottom one here, that is a playlist, my DJI Mini 4 Pro playlist. So we have lots of more videos to see each other in there. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.